Can you air condition a cabin tent? Imagine spending a hot summer night in a cabin tent, surrounded by nature, but feeling the discomfort of rising temperatures. Many campers wonder if there is a way to keep their tent cool and comfortable. Let's consider the options available for air conditioning a cabin tent. First, it is important to understand the structure of a cabin tent. These tents are designed with vertical walls and ample space, making them a popular choice for families and groups. However, they can also trap heat, leading to an uncomfortable environment during warm weather. One common method to cool a cabin tent is through portable air conditioning units. These devices can effectively lower the temperature inside the tent, but they requiring a power source. Campgrounds with electrical hookups can make this option feasible, while those in remote areas may need to consider alternatives. Another option is to use battery-operated fans. While they do not provide the same level of cooling as an air conditioning unit, they can help circulate air and create a breeze, making the tent feel more comfortable. Additionally, placing a bowl of ice in front of a fan can create a makeshift cooling effect. Some campers opt for reflective tarps or covers to block sunlight from hitting the tent directly. This can help reduce the internal temperature during the day. Ventilation is also key. Ensuring that windows and doors are open can promote airflow, which can alleviate heat buildup. For those who prefer a more natural approach, using insulated sleeping bags and cooling mats can help maintain a comfortable temperature while sleeping. Additionally, choosing a tent with good ventilation features can make a significant difference. In conclusion, while traditional air conditioning systems may not be practical for all cabin tents, there are various methods to create a cooler environment. By considering power sources, airflow, and insulation, campers can enjoy a more comfortable experience in their cabin tents.